Hello and welcome to the AI with Arun Show. In this episode, we are diving into what Apple is calling its awe-dropping event. This is not just another product launch, it's a pivotal moment that promises to redefine Apple's relationship with technology. We will be exploring a revolutionary new design philosophy that Apple is promoting, a deeper integration of health monitoring across the entire product ecosystem, and the most significant software overhaul we have seen from Apple in over a decade. What we're going to see today from what Apple announced from Apple Park is not just another update. It's a future arriving now. Let's dive in. First up is the star of the show, the iPhone 17 Air. Apple is making a bold statement with this device, calling it a revolutionary design. And that is not an exaggeration. The iPhone 17 Air is just 5.6 millimeters thick, making it the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever created. This incredible feat of engineering is made possible by a breakthrough titanium design which provides strength and rigidity without the weight. The display is a gorgeous 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR screen. For those unfamiliar, XDR stands for Extreme Dynamic Range, meaning you get incredibly deep blacks and vibrant true-to-life colors. It also features ProMotion technology, allowing for an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This makes everything from scrolling through a web page to gaming feel exceptionally smooth and responsive. On the camera front, the iPhone 17 Air boasts a 48 megapixel Fusion main camera. This system is incredibly versatile, offering what Apple calls full lens equivalence, giving you creative flexibility without needing extra hardware. The front camera is an 18 megapixel center stage camera, perfect for keeping you perfectly framed during video calls. The iPhone 17 Air will be available in four stunning colors: space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue, with the pricing starting at $999. The iPhone 17 Air is just one part of the completely refreshed lineup. Let's look at the entire family, starting with the iPhone 17. It features a 6.3-inch display, also with ProMotion for that super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the new A19 chip, which delivers 20% faster GPUs or graphics processing unit, meaning better performance for gaming and visually intensive apps. The display is incredibly bright, reaching a peak brightness of 3000 nits, which will make it stunningly clear even in direct sunlight. The iPhone 17 starts at a very competitive $799. For those who demand the absolute best, Apple has the iPhone 17 Pro series. These models are built with a premium aluminum unibody construction, are a photographer's dream, featuring three separate 48 megapixel cameras and an incredible 8x optical zoom, allowing you to get closer to your subject without losing image quality. Under the hood is the A19 Pro chip, which offers a massive 40% performance improvement over its predecessor. The iPhone 17 Pro will start at $1,099, and the larger Pro Max will start at $1,199. Apple is also pushing the boundaries of what a watch can do with what they're calling a complete health revolution. The new Apple Watch Series 11 is a health breakthrough. It introduces hypertension notifications, proactively alerting you to high blood pressure trends, and a new sleep score feature to help you better understand your sleep quality. It includes 5G connectivity for the first time in the main series and maintains a 24-hour battery life, all starting at $399. For the adventurers, there is the Apple Ultra Watch 3. Its standard feature is the inclusion of satellite communications, allowing you to send emergency SOS and messages even when you are completely off the grid. Now, this is a potential lifesaver. The battery life is phenomenal, with 42 hours of normal use and up to 72 hours in low power mode. The Ultra 3 is priced at $799. Finally, the Apple Watch SE 3 brings premium features to an affordable price point. It gets a major boost with the S10 chip, an always-on display, and even sleep apnea detection, a critical health feature previously reserved for the high-end models. It also supports fast charging and starts at just $249. The health ecosystem now extends to your ears with the AirPods Pro 3, where health truly meets audio. For the first time ever in wireless earbuds, Apple is integrating heart rate monitoring. This is accomplished from a custom PPG sensor. Now, PPG stands for photoplethysmography. It's the same technology used in the Apple Watch, using light to measure blood flow changes. This sensor uses infrared light and measures at 256 pulses per second, making it accurate enough to support over 50 different workout styles. Of course, the audio experience is also getting a major upgrade. Apple claims 2 times better active noise cancellation. And with the power of Apple Intelligence, the AirPods Pro 3 will offer live translation in your ears, a truly futuristic feature. Battery life extended to 8 hours and a remarkable 10 hours if you're using the hearing aid accessibility feature. They are also IP57 water resistant, making them safe from sweat and rain. Amazingly, the price remains unchanged at $249, and they now come with 5 ear tip sizes to ensure a perfect fit for everybody. Powering these new devices is a stunning new operating system, the iOS 26, the liquid glass revolution. This is the most significant visual update since iOS 7. The new liquid glass design features translucent interface elements that have dynamic reflections and change based on how you move your device. There is even an all clear mode that makes your app icons completely transparent for a whole new level of customization. This new design language is not just for iPhone. It will be consistent across all of Apple's platforms, including the iPad OS, the Mac OS, the Watch OS, and TV OS. Beyond the visuals, iOS 26 is packed with key features. It integrates Apple Intelligence for system-wide live translation. The photos and phone apps have been redesigned for a more streamlined experience. Messages get richer communications like polls and custom backgrounds, and a new dedicated Passwords app will consolidate all your security credentials in one secure place. iOS 26 will be released to the public on September 15th and will be compatible with iPhone 11 and newer models. Well, let's recap the pricing and timeline so you know exactly what you can get your hands on these incredible new products. The iPhone 17 starts at $799. The revolutionary thin iPhone 17 Air starts at $999. The iPhone 17 Pro is at $1,099, and the Pro Max with the storage option up to massive 2 terabytes is at $1,199. For the Apple Watch, the Series 11 begins at $399. The Adventure Ready Ultra 3 is $799, and the feature-packed SE3, the budget watch, is just under $249. Finally, the new iPods Pro 3 is that with a groundbreaking heart rate sensing, are priced at $249. Now for the key dates. So pre-orders for the entire iPhone 17 series will begin this Friday, which is September 12th. The new iOS 26 will be released to the public on Monday, September 15th. And 1 week from Friday, meaning on September 19th, all of these new products will be available in stores worldwide. For those interested in the new Apple Watch and the AirPods Pro, pre-orders are available immediately following today's announcement. Now let's highlight the industry-first innovations that Apple has unveiled today. First, the iPhone 17 Air, at an astonishing 5.6 millimeters thin, sets a new industry standard for smartphone design. Next, for the first time ever, they are bringing satellite communication directly to the Apple Watch with the Ultra 3, enhancing safety and connectivity like never before. The new AirPods Pro 3 are the first wireless earbuds to integrate advanced heart rate monitoring, seamlessly combining health and audio. Apple is also revolutionizing the user interface with their liquid glass UI, a breakthrough translucent design that will be consistent across all Apple platforms. And finally, they are showcasing a comprehensive health integration across the entire ecosystem, from iPhone to Apple Watch and the AirPods, providing a seamless and holistic approach to personal well-being. So what does all of this mean? Today's event marks a clear and decisive step into the future for Apple. We are seeing a true design revolution led by the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with form factors and materials. We are also witnessing a profound commitment to health integration. Health monitoring is no longer confined to just the watch. It's now seamlessly woven across the iPhone, the Apple Watch, and even the AirPods, creating a comprehensive and holistic view of our well being. And finally, the software innovation with liquid glass design is completely transforming the user experience. It's more than just a new coat of paint, it's a fundamental rethinking of how we interact with our most personal devices. The innovations announced today, the thinnest iPhone ever, satellite communications in a watch, and the heart rate sensing in earbuds, are not just new features. They are industry firsts, and they reshape our expectations for the technology we use every day. The future is no longer on the horizon. Apple has delivered it here today. Thank you for watching. Support our work by joining us as a member, and please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with